Hey EDC tool enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we're talking about 25 next-level EDC items you need right now, gear that brings real value and everyday readiness. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just going about your daily life, these picks will help you stay organized, prepared, and a step ahead. Think practical gadgets, compact tools, smart everyday essentials, all chosen for usefulness and ease of use. If you want to make your daily carry better, the items in this list are worth checking out. When you're deep into a task and need the right tool fast, having a compact solution makes all the difference. The PICHI Titanium Multitool steps up as a clip 6-in-1 pocket. EDC Multitools wrench, pry bar, crowbar, screwdriver, pocket knife. Bottle opener for camping, hiking. Gift all for men. Father. This multifunctional tool is independently designed and developed by the brand founder, with a ceramic stone-washed surface that stays bright and a hardcore look loved by EDC fans. Built from grade 5 titanium alloy, it remains lightweight at 75 grams, yet remains strong enough for extreme environments. It's used as an EDC multi-tool with a wrench, crowbar, knife, bottle opener, magnet, screwdriver bit slot, and back clip. Sometimes you need a camera that can keep up with your movement without slowing you down. The HOVERAir drone delivers that freedom as a self-flying camera drone with Follow Me mode, foldable mini drone with HDR video capture, palm takeoff, intelligent flight paths, and hands-free control. This intelligent Follow Me camera uses advanced tracking algorithms and a following speed of up to 15 miles per hour to stay with you during cycling, skateboarding, and other sports. The foldable build, palm takeoff, and simple controls keep things easy. It's used for capturing smooth HDR video with automatic flight paths and hands-free operation. When the power goes out, or you're outdoors after dark, a reliable light becomes essential. The Yemao emergency EDC flashlight steps in as a rechargeable 1500 lumens. Mini light, 6 modes with magnet clip, portable pocket-size keychain flashlight, IP6 waterproof LED torch for outdoor and home use. This mini-sized and portable LED torch is made from sturdy aluminum alloy and fits easily into any pocket or bag. It's used for delivering high lumen brightness, 6 modes, USB-C charging, and hands-free magnetic or clip use. Sometimes you just need a secure way to carry cards and cash without the bulk weighing you down. The ALPAKA zip card pouch delivers that simplicity, holding 12 to 20 cards, made with weatherproof fabric, featuring a YKK zipper, an RFID blocking card wallet, and a coin pouch for men. This pocket-sized minimalist wallet fits easily in any pocket and uses durable Axoflux recycled ripstop nylon with silent YKK zippers. It's used for carrying cards, coins, and cash safely with RFID blocking and easy modular attachment options. When you want to carry your essentials without the bulk, a compact and secure wallet becomes a must. The MURADIN Minimalist wallet delivers that balance as a slim RFID blocking metal card holder, front pocket men's nylon leather dapper bifold wallet with money clip. It blends business and tactical styles with a leather bifold cover and aluminum chassis. It's used for holding up to 8 cards, offering easy access through a C-shaped opening, plus expandable attachment options and strong materials suited for everyday carry. When you want to read comfortably at night without disturbing anyone, the right light makes all the difference. The HIONXMGA book reading light delivers that ease as a silent touch lamp for in bed, rechargeable clip-on book light with 3 amber colors and precise dimming night reading, best gift. With 3 color options, 7 LEDs, precise dimming, and memory mode, it adapts to any setting. It's used for quiet, adjustable, long-lasting lighting with USB charging and a portable clip-on design for reading anywhere. When you're grabbing drinks for a group, you need a simple way to carry everything safely. The CarryAround cup carrier meets that need as a takeout coffee soft drink, pint beer beverage holder, sturdy reusable pocket size, festival sports gigs, easy and safe 2, 3, 4 cups. This foldaway carrier opens to 3 or 4 positions and slips easily into a pocket or bag. It's used for carrying multiple drinks at festivals, games, coffee runs, and any busy outing without spills. When you're away from home and still want a warm, satisfying meal, a compact food warmer becomes essential. The Crock-Pot lunchbox offers that convenience as a 20-ounce food warmer moonshine green, ideal for travel on the go, keeps food spill-free, warm and tasty, dishwasher safe. This personal and portable 20-ounce container features a modern vintage moonshine green design, a spill-proof lid, and an easy-carry handle with a detachable cord. It's used for warming meals safely and cleanly with trusted Crock-Pot quality. When hearing clearly becomes a challenge, having a reliable, easy-to-use device is crucial. The Flaygo rechargeable hearing aids provide that support as seniors' hearing loss. Latest 16-channel digital OTC hearing aid with intelligent noise cancellation, 5-day long-lasting battery, medical-grade materials, comfortable and anti-slip for secure wearing, beige. With excellent sound quality, a lightweight design and ergonomic anti-slip fit, it's used to improve hearing for mild to severe loss while offering long-lasting rechargeable battery life and simple, intuitive operation. When you need a compact tool that handles a variety of tasks on the go, versatility is key. The LoKi MUT EDC Multitool delivers that as a 14-tool small EDC multi-tool that includes the key features required in an PAR's everyday carry tool. With hex head wrenches, lanyard hole, bottle opener, pry tool, flat head, and standard bit compatibility, this convenient multi-purpose tool can be carried on your neck, in your pocket, or on keys, and used for countless creative solutions. When your workspace needs a little life and personality, a smart companion can make all the difference. The TangibleFuture LOOI robot space brings that charm as an AI desktop robot companion with ChatGPT voice interaction, visual understanding, personality, and memory. 10-watt wireless charging, tech and gadget gift, electronic pets, toy, geek, and desktop setup. LOOI turns your smartphone into an expressive desktop robot that interacts, reacts, captures moments, and even becomes a wireless charger. It's used for playful interaction, remote control, notifications, and adding character to any desk. When your projects demand speed and reliability, slow storage just won't cut it. The StorageKey Thunderbolt SSD delivers that performance with next-gen Thunderbolt 5 speed, PCIe Gen 4x4, NVMe up to 8 TB, active cooling, CNC precision machined aluminum unibody, and compatibility. Built for creators and gamers alike, it offers 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, read speeds over 6,000 megabytes per second, and write speeds beyond 5,000 megabytes per second. It's used for high-performance gaming, 8K video editing, and portable, stress-free storage with tool-free drive swapping and consistent temperature control. Muscle tension can slow you down, making targeted relief essential. The Arboleaf back massager provides that as pain relief, deep tissue, Bluetooth app control, shiatsu neck and shoulder massager with heat, cordless portable for chair, car, office, and home. With a powerful, ultra-quiet motor and 4-node kneading shiatsu massage, it delivers customizable deep tissue relief. Ergonomically designed with adjustable straps, dual temperature therapy, and cordless freedom, it's used for soothing neck, shoulder, back, and lumbar muscles, helping reduce soreness from work, travel, or daily activities. Rain or intense sun can catch you off guard, so having a reliable compact umbrella is essential. The Simprella Pocket Umbrella delivers that convenience as the new third-generation pocket-sized umbrella. Compact, durable, and always ready. Tiny enough to fit in any bag or pocket, it features highly water-repellent fabric, UPF 50+ sun protection, and a stylish, interchangeable Velcro badge for personalization. It's used for staying dry or shaded on the go, combining portability, durability, and everyday convenience. Managing stress and staying focused can be challenging, so a discreet tool is essential. The ONO Roller handheld fidget toy delivers that as help relieve stress, anxiety, tension, promotes focus, clarity, compact, portable design. Silent and non-distracting, it's made for small hands and offers multiple ways to play, from rolling between palms to fingertip curls. Durable and innovative, this fidget toy is used to reduce tension, improve mental clarity, and provide soothing sensory stimulation anytime, anywhere. Starting your day with a perfect cup of coffee shouldn't take forever, so speed and quality are essential. The ArtiWork VortexBrew Pro Coffee Maker delivers that as a food-grade PC filter. 300 mesh nylon, 5-watt silent operation, capacity 600 milliliters, 1000 RPM centrifugal tech, 1-touch operation, 3-second disassembly. Using centrifugal technology and a 300 mesh ultrafine filter, it produces smooth, sediment-free cold brew in under a minute. Adjustable coffee-to-water ratios allow full control of strength, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. For those who value style and precision in writing, a quality pen set is essential. The Chinco Bolt Action Pen Sets deliver that as a gift for men. 4 hexagon solid brass pens, 8 ink refills, an EDC pen signature pocket size, with 4 gift boxes for Father's Day. Made from solid brass with a hollow hexagonal design, balanced weight, and CNC precision machining, these pens are comfortable, durable, and elegant. They're used for everyday writing, gifting, and carrying conveniently with a key ring. Staying hygienic on the go can be tricky, so a portable solution is essential. The Pure Drop Cargo Hand Sanitizer delivers that as the world's first phone-mounted hand sanitizer. With a simple twist-on attachment, it securely mounts to your phone or case, features a refillable container, and sprays instantly at the press of a button. Its special ring doubles as a phone grip and stand. It's used for convenient, anytime hand sanitizing, keeping you safe while combining hygiene with mobility and style. Being prepared for unexpected tasks requires a versatile and compact tool. The GIRIAITUS EDC Gear Multitool delivers that as a 7-in-1 multi-tool with wrench, bottle opener, car window breaker, pry bar, flat Phillips screwdriver, EDC tools for cycling maintenance, outdoor and household repairs. Made from heat-treated forged alloy stainless steel, it includes an adjustable wrench, mini pry bar, bottle opener, caliper, and pocket clip. It's used for everyday carry, cycling maintenance, camping, household repairs, and quick on-the-go fixes. Life's best moments can happen in an instant, so having a versatile camera is essential. The Domono Smart Camera delivers that as capture and control, 4K HD video, 13 megapixels photos, MagSafe, voice commands, a 180-degree hinge, waterproof, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Combining an action camera with a smartphone case, it features a detachable 4K camera, voice-activated AI, and full waterproofing. It's used for capturing photos and videos hands-free, live streaming, social media content, and preserving spontaneous moments anywhere, rain or shine. Keeping your essentials organized and accessible on the go is crucial, so a versatile bag is a must. The ALPAKA Flow Satchel Crossbody Bag delivers that as a water-resistant shoulder bag, expandable bottle pocket, YKK zippers, and key tether. This 2-liter EDC sling features 3 zippered compartments, an integrated key tether, an expandable bottle pocket, and a rear security pocket. Made from weather-resistant materials with ergonomic straps and hub compatibility, it's used for commuting, travel, and daily carry, keeping valuables safe, organized, and easily reachable. Opening cans and bottles should be effortless, so a reliable tool is essential. The Domono manual can opener delivers that with a magnet lid lifter, an ultra-sharp steel cutting wheel, an easy-turn knob, comfort grip handles, and a multi-function bottle opener. Its high-carbon steel blade and precision gears ensure smooth cutting, while ergonomic knobs and soft non-slip handles reduce strain. The magnetic lid lifter and built-in bottle opener make it perfect for kitchens, picnics, or any setting where quick, safe, and clean opening is needed. Staying prepared for everyday tasks requires a compact, versatile tool. The Alloy X Tri-Pro Stand EDC tool delivers that as a 15-in-1 titanium multi-tool and phone stand with a bit storage slot, knife sharpener, SIM card ejector, pry bar, nail puller, spoke wrench, bit driver, dual drive angle, tritium slot, and keychain hole. This 3-piece multi-tool functions as a phone stand, folding scalpel, knife sharpener, and prying tool. It's perfect for adventurers, cyclists, creatives, and DIY enthusiasts, offering portable, reliable performance for countless tasks. Beating the heat on the go calls for a portable cooling solution. Meet the Sweetful Misting Fan, a handheld personal mister with a 15-milliliter water tank and upgraded spray function, providing a refreshing mini spray water mist. This small, rechargeable fan is foldable and lightweight, ideal for kids, women, travel, hiking, camping, home, or office use. With one-button operation, soft safety blades, and backup power capabilities, it keeps you cool, hydrated, and connected wherever you are. Brighten your day with a companion that responds to you in the sweetest ways. The Murumi Charm robot glances around, reacts to sounds, and turns its shy gaze toward you, creating spontaneous moments of joy. Its head-pat touch sensor triggers adorable reactions, while its lifelike movements and secure clinging arms make it interactive and charming. Compact and bag-friendly, Murumi uses sensors, motors, and an onboard chip to deliver lifelike gestures, all powered by a rechargeable Type-C battery. Thanks for watching. These 25 EDC picks are more than just cool gadgets. They're tools built to make life smoother, safer, and more efficient. If something on the list caught your eye, grab it while you can. I'll keep sharing more gear, smart everyday solutions, and useful recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, a like and subscribe goes a long way. Stay sharp, stay ready, and carry what helps you live smarter.